Hi guys, welcome to Learn Max Easily channel, and this is the next video for matrices lesson class 12. That is the part 6 video, and this video we are going to see about the multiplication of matrix as the next topic in your Cbse NCERT textbook. Right, so these are the just and small examples that has been given. So we'll just jump as like we did in the previous videos, that we are going to start with the example 12. Before that, they have given this one. We'll just check it up on this, what this literally they have given over here. So this is the general, like this thing is the general process of multiplying two given matrix. Say for example, they have taken 2 cross 2 matrix in the question. So this is the matrix that is to be multiplied. So that is nothing but, let's say for example, it is like this must be multiplied by this. Say this will be multiplied with this, then that will be the first step. Then the next step will be the same will be multiplied with this, that is the row 1 will be multiplied by column 1 and column 2. Then the row 2 will be multiplied by column 1 and column 2 of the individual matrix that has been present representatively. Like say for example, this is the first matrix, this is the second matrix, right? The first row over here and the first column of this matrix is being multiplied, and that is been noted. And again the first row with the second column, then the second row with the first column, second row with the second column, everything is being multiplied accordingly, and they are summed up into single digit number, hence forming the resultant matrix after multiplication. So this is the general step or a sequence to multiply two matrices. That's what explained over here. See the example 12. Find AB if A equal to 6, 9, 2, 3 and B equal to 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. Okay, so this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, and this is a 2 cross 3 matrix, right? 2 rows and 3 columns, right? Okay, so the now this two should be multiplied, hence to find the result of AB. So generally say, okay, like 6, they have taken the numbers as 6, 9, 2, 3, and the next is 2, 7, 6, 0, 9, 8, right? So this both should be multiplied is what the actual question they are been asking us to do. Now what they are doing is, again, as they are doing like splitting like this, rows and the columns, the same way they are also splitting up here with respect to rows and columns, this like rows and columns, right? So by this way the resultant matrix accordingly will be of this format, that is, see over here, the same resultant answer will be of this format, right? That is 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 cross 3 matrix, right? Now yes, we'll just stop this. Yeah, now this should be multiplied with all these 3 columns, and this row should be multiplied with all 3 columns. So 6 into 2 is 12, 9 cross 7 is 63, 12 plus 63 is what we have got here, 75. Similarly 6 6 are 36, 9 9s are 81, 81, 36, right? So 117, 6 cross 0, 0, 9 cross 8 is 72, 72. So similarly for the next column that has been present, next row that has been present, so 2 cross 2 is nothing but 4, 7 cross 3 is 21, the resultant answer is 25. Similarly 39, and that is 12 plus 27, 6 2s are 12 plus 9 3s are 27, that gives you 39, and 0 2s are 0, so 3 cross 8 is 24. So this resultant answer is 75, 117, 72, 25, 39, 24. So these are the one of the basic steps of solving the multiplication problems that is being asked in your question, whether it may be a 2 cross 3 or a 3 cross 2, whatever it may be. That is the combination of two matrices to be multiplied of either irrespective of the proportion that is been given. It may be 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 or 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2, whatever it may be. The same step, that is this row wise and column wise, multiplying it and summing up inside the matrix is the same thing which we are going to do for irrespective of the class of the matrix that has been asked in the question, right? Yes. The next example 13, if A equal to 1 minus 4 minus 2 2 3 5 and B equal to 2 4 2 3 5 1, then find AB BA. Show that AB is not equal to BA. Okay, fine. Now we are going to find the value of AB. Okay, keep it aside. BA, then keep it aside. Now we are going to compare these two, whether they both are same or not. Now generally we know that 2 cross 3 in normal multiplication, just forgot about this matrix. Generally in multiplication we know that 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is also 6. So when we are going to multiply the same numbers that is being reversed, we get the same answer as the result is what we studied in our lower classes in multiplication. But whereas in matrices it's not quite possible in that way. So we will just work it up on this to prove it, right? Now they have asked in the question, a value is given, b value is given. A value, it's nothing but 2 cross 3 matrix. A is 2 cross 3 matrix and B is 3 cross 2 matrix, right? Right, okay. Now first we will just find the value of AB that has been asked in the question, right? Now this is A, 1 minus 4 minus 2 2 3 5. Then this is B, right? 2 3 4 5 2 1, right? Now we need to multiply this, the same process, right? Dividing this like the first matrix, dividing like row wise, and the second matrix into column wise. Then the result answer should be written in the respective position of the resultant matrix. As I told you in the previous videos, the position of the matrix is much more important, because if the position of the matrix, the numbers present inside changes, means then the entire matrix will go wrong, right? Then the result will not be same. We won't even get a single mark in our exam, whatever it may be, right? So 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into 4 is, we'll work here, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 4 into, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, 6. So summing upon this we get 0. Then this with second one, 3 minus 10, 3 minus 10 plus 3, right? We get again somewhat around 6 and minus 4, right? Yes, minus 4. Okay. Then the next one, minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. 2, 8, then 5 plus 2 is 10. We get 10. Similarly over here 3. Right? So the first, that is the value of AB, is this one. This is the value of AB. Right. Similarly for BA, the same thing has to be done, but the matrix is slightly changed. That is, the first matrix which we are going to consider is B, and the next matrix which we are going to consider is A. So the process is going to be same, but the chances of change in result is more, right? 2 3 5. Why? Because now here we are going to split like this, right? So it becomes as 3 by 3 matrix, where we get here as 2 by 2 matrix. So the entire result is going to change. we just splitting these two matrices. By this way itself we can come to the conclusion that the result answer will not be same as to the answer which we get before AB, right? So this gives you this both multiplication yields you a 3 cross 3 matrix is confirmed. Why? Because we have 3 columns, that is 3 rows and 3 columns present in this two matrices. So multiplying is, we get 2, yes, 2 ones are 2 minus 12. So yes, we just write the result answer over here because it's quite lengthy. So 2 minus 12 we get around minus 10. Right, now the next case, over this 2 minus 2 into 2 is minus 4, plus 3 2s are 6, so it will be 2. This is a general multiplication, right, which we saw before, the same thing. Then this into, that is this one into this one, so 3 2s are 6 plus 5 3s are 15, it yields around 21. Similarly this into this, so we get 4 minus 20, that is minus 16, and this gives you 2 again. I'm sorry, this is 2, and 4 3s are 12 plus 25, it's around 37, and this gives you minus 2 and 11. So general multiplication and adding the terms, but the major problem which arises in multiplication is nothing but the position of the elements as the result which we are going to put over here, right? Say for example 2 cross 1 plus 3 into minus 4, so it arounds 10 minus 10, right? This will be in the first position, so nowhere problem over there. Then 2 cross 3 into minus 4 into 2, right? Say for 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, plus 3 2s are 6, so on the whole we yield minus 2, I'm sorry 2. So that portion will just get confused over here or over here. So the thing which we need to follow is nothing but the result yield of this two will be a 3 cross 3 matrix, right? Just remember that the result which we get now yield with these two multiplication of matrices is going to be 3 cross 3 matrix. There's no other doubt, right? Now with that we need to check it out, the position of the result that has to be placed. See, now consider like this. First the result will be a 3 cross 3 matrix and divide it into columns, right? Now these rows multiplied with this single first column, the result will be over here. I again repeated, say for example 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 4, the result will be the first one. The next will be 4 into 1 minus 5 into minus 4, the result will be the next, that is the below one over here, right, in the first column. This full row with first column will be first column, this full rows with the second column will be the second column, this full row with the third column will be the third column. So this, by this way we can arrive the answer with a 2 cross 3 into 3 cross 2 matrices, right? Yes. So this is example 12, oh I'm sorry, example 13 in your textbook. The next example, yes, example number 14 over here in the question. If a equal to 1 0 0 minus 1 and b equal to 0 1 1 0, then ab equal to, they have given the value, and ba equal to, clearly ab is not equal to ba, thus matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay, okay, they have not asked about the question, or they haven't asked us to jot down the sum that is being asked in the question, so they have just given a kind of notes so regarding the points in the matrix. So we will jump to example 15 that is given over here, right? Now find AB if A equal to given and B equal to given, right? So these two matrices are 0, 0, minus 1, 2, right? 3, 5, 0, 0. These two matrices must be multiplied as the given question, right? So the same method, right? Column, row. The same way we are going to divide it, and if we multiply, we arrive the answer like 0 cross 3, 0, plus minus 1 cross 0, again 0. Now 0 cross this 3, 0, plus 2 cross 0, 0. 0 cross 5, 0, plus minus 1 cross 0, 0. 0 cross 5 is 0, plus 2 cross 0 is 0. So entire matrix will be 0. So it's a 0 matrix as we saw before, right? So if we multiply these two matrices, the result answer will be 0 matrix, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's what we have arrived here, right? So till the multiplication sums, general multiplication sums is being closed in the case of example parts in the textbook. The next is properties of multiplications, where we see some small properties in order to solve the sums that is being given further in your example and your exercise, which will be really helpful in solving the multiplication problems, and it will be really asked in your board exam questions and one of the easiest chapter, as I told you before. So kindly again and again work out these problems, example problems, as well as the exercise problems given in your textbook, and try other sources in your internet and other RD Sharma, some other things that has to be carried out for your board exams, and work upon it. And you just watch my videos again and again to have a clear understand about the basic concepts and the examples which I taught you, and work upon it. And if you have any doubt, kindly text me in the comment section. I will, if I get that, I will just work upon it and I will put it in another video. So the next video we will talk about the properties of multiplication of matrices. Till that, thank you.